So, you had a total hip replacement. So did I had both done. I wish I would have known about this product when I had my first hip done. There's a product I found on Amazon from a company in Texas called RMS. The product they make is called NewHipKit. This is an amazing product that has helped me get my clothes on. You know what it's like. It's really hard to get your socks on, or other pieces of clothing. With NewHipKit, you have essentials for daily living. Watch the video and get yours today. Click on the link for your RMS products.
RMS provides several hip and knee replacement kits designed carefully by medical professionals for people recovering from hip, knee, or bariatric surgery. Assistant kits like these are often recommended by therapists for post-hip or post-knee surgery patients. The largest kit contains 7 pieces, which includes 2 rotating grabbers and reachers in 19 and 32-inch sizes. These tools are designed to rotate a full 90 degrees for use both vertically and horizontally. A non-slip rubberized jaw allows the user to pick up objects as small as a dime. It also includes the loop leg lifter, a rigid and durable tool designed for repositioning your leg in a car, wheelchair, or in a bed after hip replacement surgery, knee or back surgery, or a leg injury. A 28-inch dressing stick with a large vinyl-coated S-hook assists with putting on shirts, pulling up pants, skirts, or helping put on shoes or removing socks. This dressing stick also has a vinyl-coated C-hook on the opposite end for pulling zippers and shoelace loops. Our durable sock aid helps you easily put on socks or stockings without bending over. Rounding out the 7-piece kit is a 22-inch long bath sponge and a 24-inch shoehorn, 2 items guaranteed to turn common daily tasks into a simple and easy process. Look for each of these singular products on our website for a more thorough review of their build and use. Hip and knee replacement kits by RMS, helpful solutions for life.